Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening the Google Play Store and confirming the account shown at the top. This determines which app history you'll see. Once done, tap your profile icon and glance at the email or avatar to make sure it's the right account. If it isn't, switch accounts immediately. This step matters because Play separates installed and purchase records by account. Do this first, so the following menu choices reveal the correct app history and order information for that account. Next, open Manage Apps and Device and choose Manage to see every app associated with your account. Once there, apply filters like Installed or Not Installed to focus the view. Make sure to switch to Owned or All to reveal apps you removed earlier. For paid apps or subscriptions, go back to your profile, open Payments and Subscriptions, and select Budget and Order History to see purchases linked to that account. These two places together show app installs, removals, and purchase records for troubleshooting or restoration. To finish, reinstall any app by tapping it in the Not Installed or Owned list and press Install. Once downloading, verify permissions and wait for indexing. If an app doesn't appear, make sure you use the same Google account and that regional restrictions aren't hiding it. If lists still look wrong, clear the Play Store cache and data, restart your device, and confirm Play services is updated. One key troubleshooting tip: switch accounts and recheck order history. Most missing items are tied to a different Google account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.